Hi guys, hi YouTubers, hope you're well today. I thought I'd throw a video up today. I've had quite a few of my downline members and my other platforms, which I do promote online. I do build teams. They want to know why would I have a blog? Well, I tell you guys, you're actually missing out not having a blog. I find a blog is a really great way to build your online business, okay, and it's a really good base for me, you know, because at the end of the day I can actually send new prospects to my blog, okay, to any sales page, right? If I send a sales page or an opt-in page to, say, on my email list, and they sign up, okay, they look at my sales page, great, they might like it, they might not, they sign up, yes, I've got their email address for future reference, but having a blog, okay, is very important. This is my experience and my advice to anybody who wants to do a blog. I strongly recommend it, and the reason why is because when you have a blog, you have other products added into your blog. For example, I did a review on a company called Icon Pro. All right, the company I do promote trading, and I do promote other businesses as well in the crypto niche, and I also promote for traffic companies, and also ready to buy Bitcoin, ready to buy crypto, you know. And at the end of the day, I find the blog very good. It's a massive, great base, because when people are interested in your business, okay, they come in, yeah, they might sign up for, you know, trading or whatever you're promoting, but then they see these banners, okay, for example, on the right-hand side. Yeah, they might be interested in building, you know, a free commerce bot, you know. They might be interested in Icon Pro. They might be interested in, I know, Lead Sleep, you know, which I do promote. You know, that's a great traffic platform, and also autoresponder. I use it all the time. You know, or they might be interested in buying Bitcoin, because sometimes some people find it very hard buying cryptocurrency. Yeah. So if they either use, say, you know, Binance, Kraken, or these other exchanges, but I do buy or do recommend a company called Change Now. Very good, fantastic business. So, you know, I'm an affiliate as well of these companies. So I'm getting, you know, I'm building a team, and I'm building my email list as well. And plus I'm building an income. You know, I might get paid by Icon Pro. I might get paid from Lead Sleep. You know, the deal is, guys, you've got to have multiple streams of income. Okay, you can't just rely on one. Not in this day and age. You never know what's going to happen. You know, the crypto industry, in fact, not just the crypto industry, the internet marketing industry is, you know, nothing's guaranteed, guys. So I advise strongly to get quite a few income streams. So I've got 4 or 5 income streams coming in. Okay, and having a blog is ideal for that, you know, because when you send information to people that are interested, okay, I always send people to my opt-in page, and also I send people to my blog, because they might sign up on a business I'm promoting that month, or that, you know, whatever I'm doing that time, but they might be interested in something else. So, you know, it's like throwing a stone and getting 3 or 4 birds at once, you know. So having a blog is very important, you know, but it's not optional. You don't have to, but it works for me. It works for me, and it works for many other bloggers online, you know. And the beauty about it, guys, you're getting natural, organic traffic as well. You know, fair enough, you're sending emails to people, and you're getting people interested in your business, and you're doing social media, and also having a blog, you're just getting organic traffic as well. So you've got to spread your risks with lots of businesses and different ways of getting traffic. You know, even YouTube videos. You know, I do quite a few YouTube videos now. I didn't used to, but now I am. Now I have, because I find YouTube's brilliant for traffic. It really is. And I always mention my blog. You know, even if I don't mention that blog in my YouTube videos, scroll down, it's always got my blog on it. You know, it's a great base for building your business. And plus, people always want to know what you're doing and how you're making a good return on investment. And my advice, really, guys, is build a blog. You know, these days you can, you know, build a blog for about, say, $50. You know, there are companies you can actually get a blog for free. You know, I think it's Google Plus. You can create a blog for free. You know, up to you. You know, but I prefer to have my own blog because I'm in control of my own blog. Yeah, no one can take it away from me. You know, because you get these lots, you know, YouTube or Facebook or Instagram, TikTok. You know, sometimes they can take your account away and you've lost everything. Yeah, but when you've got a blog, you own that blog. No one else does. Yeah, so you want to bear that in mind, guys. Meanwhile, thanks so much for watching my video. It's just a short video. I'm just getting it out there because I did have quite a few people asking me questions about why have you got a blog, or do I need a blog? It's optional, but it works for me. Okay. Meanwhile, guys, thank you very much for watching my video. Really appreciate it. My name is Matt Feast, and subscribe to my channel, and also give me a thumbs up or a good like. And if you want to talk to me about our businesses, please put a comment in YouTube or send me a message on Facebook or all the social medias, or just type in Matt Feast on Google. You can get hold of me. You know. Meanwhile, have a great day. Thank you very much for watching my video. I really appreciate it. Thank you, guys. Take care and have a great day. Bye.